Hello everyone. If you are trying to use the full version of PyMOL for your research or studies, you have probably noticed that some features are locked. In this video, I will show you step by step how to get and activate a PyMOL license for academic use completely legally and easily. So let's get started. First, a quick overview. PyMOL is widely used for protein visualization, molecular modeling, and docking analysis, like for the protein-ligand interaction analysis. There are two versions. One is open source and the other is incentive version. Basically, incentive version is paid with full features, while the open source is free with limited features. But the good news is many universities provide free or discounted academic licenses. First, open your browser and in the search bar, write PyMOL educational license and then click on the first link, which is registration for educational use only PyMOL. Here you just direct it to the official website of Schrödinger. And you can see here they stated that educational use only PyMOL available to teachers and high school and college students at no cost. For this license, you have to fill some of your information, like if you are a student, click on it. Otherwise, you can select the teacher if you are teaching a class. Then write other information like first and second name, your email address. By the way, you have to write your institutional email, your telephone number, your institution. If you have any comments, you can add, otherwise, that's optional. Your degree and the subject. Moreover, you have to add the name of your advisor or instructor and the anticipated year. Then click on the continue button. Here you have to add the correctors and then click on the I agree button. They just send you an email. Check your inbox, otherwise check the spam folder for the confirmation email. Here you can see that I just received an email from Schrödinger. Inside this email, I will get the license file or the link, URL link. Here you can see that this here is the download URL, and for downloading the license file, you have to enter the username and the password. Okay. Enter the username and the password and just click on the sign in button. And from here you can download this license file. It just download this license file, and now open your PyMOL and here to activate the PyMOL you have to browse the license file. I just enter it and it says that license was successfully installed, and just mention the expiry date too. Click on OK, and now you can use your PyMOL for research and education purposes. If the activation tab didn't appear while you open the software, then simply click on the Help tab and click on Install New License File. The activation tab is here. You just click on the option Browse for License File, Upload, and it simply upgrade the PyMOL software for educational purposes. Moreover, there is another way to activate the PyMOL. Place the license file in the PyMOL installation folder. Here you can see it is in the C disk. You just copy the license file and just paste in this folder. That's how you can download and activate a PyMOL academic license step by step. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more bioinformatics tutorials, and share it with your friends. If you face any issue, just comment below. I will help you. See you in the next video.